Hello everybody, it's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery. In my kitchen on a Sunday afternoon, I just got done incinerating 6 eggs total in the last 24 hours because I don't know how to use my frying pan correctly. I don't know. I keep turning my eggs into foam, even on the lowest heat setting. It's stupid. I blame the pan. Anyway, I actually just was looking at a comment thread on one of my videos about supplementing, and I saw some people be like, I hate Xactimate, and that's the reason that roofers are getting screwed and blah, 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 is because of Xactimate, blah, blah, blah. And it really hasn't occurred to me to present it this way to roofing contractors, but if you hate Xactimate and you think that it screws people over, that's because you are not using Xactimate and you are not supplementing your insurance claims, okay? Like, you're probably a contractor who isn't in the know yet, and you're just getting insurance claim estimates from Allstate, State Farm, Nationwide, whatever, in Xactimate, and you're like, this pricing sucks ass, screw Xactimate. It's not Xactimate's fault. Just like it isn't the ingredients in my kitchen's fault that I keep fucking up eggs. I have everything available to me. I'm just not using the right things, right? I'm not choosing the right ingredients. I'm not doing the right steps. Xactimate is the same way. Xactimate is just a system that can be your absolute best friend and profit-making machine if you know how to use it. So I just want to break this down really quickly for you guys. Right now, here's what's happening. And if you're not in the know of supplementing, this is going to be really groundbreaking for you to understand. Right now, insurance companies are writing up their estimates in Xactimate software, and you're getting the estimate, and you're supposed to be doing the claim for whatever the insurance company pays. And you're like, what the heck? This is like $250 a square, right? Because it's like ridge and starter, or I'm not sorry, like, because there's no ridge or starter or ice and water shield, blah, blah. It just says field shingles, remove and replace. And it's got, you know, like just the absolute bare minimum. So I'm getting paid nothing on this. Screw Xactimate. And you're either taking it or leaving it, or you're just writing your customer your own estimate or bid and being like, well, here's what we charge, and you're walking away. What you're missing is the supplement process. So what you need to do as a roofing contractor is get Xactimate software. You need to learn how to use it, right? You need to learn how to supplement these insurance claims. And what you do is, a supplement is you take that insurance estimate and you go, whoa, that's low. We need to add things to this because it's missing flashings, dumpster, generator. It's missing, chimney flashing. It's missing harnesses. It's missing blah, 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 blah. It's only $8,000 right now. It should be $16,000. Okay. And then you use Xactimate to rebuild that estimate, including all of those line items to reflect the new RCV, replacement cost value, the new total. You send that back to the insurance company, and then you rap battle them a little bit to get them to pay for it. And you might not get the full $16,000, maybe you end up at $14,000, but you're not stuck at $8,000. And Xactimate is your best friend because then you still got $6,000 more, right? So if you're a roofing contractor that's just been like not really getting it, and maybe you've been avoiding storm claims or insurance claims, maybe you've just kind of been just writing people bids and hoping they take it and then not understanding like where the disparity is coming from with these insurance claims that are written in Xactimate, I highly encourage you to visit the link in my comment section here. I'm just going to send you a link to my supplements and Xactimate's online training portal, like the sales page where you can read like what's in it and all that stuff. You're losing so much money, like a nauseating amount of money, by not using Xactimate. And you're shooting yourself in the foot by staying in this very limited knowledge space where you think it's the enemy, because it's not the enemy. It's your best friend. Just like eggs and frying pans and my stovetop are not the enemy. I'm just using it wrong, right? So I hope that that helps you guys here today. Click that link in the comment box and follow that and learn a little bit more. And if you have more questions about like, hey, Becca, I'm a roofing contractor that's just behind the times. I just don't know about this stuff. I'm getting screwed on supplements. I should have way more profitable claims and I want to be taking advantage of these storm claims. Shoot me an email, Becca, BECCA @roofsalesmastery.com, and we can chat and I'll send you the links to the programs, all that stuff. But the good news is I've made it super easy. Like you can literally buy the online course and learn how to use it. And I guarantee you'll be adding anywhere from an extra $2,500 to $4,500 on average across the board to every single one of those claims you do. That's pretty significant. You'd be dumb to miss it. No offense. Love you guys. I hope that helps. I'll check you on the next one. Bye.